Commercial windows play a vital role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetics of your business space. Over time, however, windows can become less efficient, develop issues, and impact the overall image and operation of your business. For businesses in Scottsdale, where intense sun, heat, and dust are regular challenges, replacing outdated windows with high-quality commercial options can provide significant advantages. Here's why Scottsdale businesses should consider commercial window replacement and how it can benefit both their operations and bottom line. Enhanced energy efficiency and cost savings. Scottsdale's hot climate can lead to high cooling costs, particularly during the sweltering summer months. Older windows, especially those without energy-efficient features, allow heat to transfer into the building, forcing HVAC systems to work harder to keep interiors comfortable. Commercial window replacement can help significantly reduce these energy costs. Modern insulation technology. New commercial windows often come with double or triple pane glass and insulating gas layers, which create a strong barrier against Scottsdale's intense heat. These windows prevent the outdoor temperature from affecting indoor spaces, helping to maintain a comfortable environment with less reliance on air conditioning. Low E coatings. Energy-efficient windows often feature low E, low emissivity coatings that reflect heat away from the building while allowing natural light to enter. This feature reduces the workload on your HVAC system, translating to lower monthly energy bills. For Scottsdale businesses, these savings can be considerable over time, improving the bottom line. Improved indoor comfort for employees and customers. The comfort of your business space is critical, especially in Scottsdale, where the weather can be harsh. Poor quality windows can make it challenging to maintain a stable indoor temperature, leading to hot or cold spots, drafts, and even glare. Replacing your commercial windows can help create a more comfortable environment for everyone inside. Temperature stability. Newer commercial windows with high-performance insulation reduce temperature fluctuations, creating a more stable and pleasant environment for employees and customers. This stability leads to fewer complaints about the indoor temperature, allowing employees to focus better and customers to enjoy their time in your space. Reduced glare. Sunlight streaming through windows can create uncomfortable glare, especially for businesses with computer screens or displays near windows. Energy-efficient windows with coatings can reduce glare, making it easier for employees to work and enhancing customer comfort. Enhanced aesthetic appeal and professional image. Windows are an essential part of your building's exterior, contributing to the overall impression your business makes. Outdated, faded, or damaged windows can negatively affect your property's appearance and, by extension, your brand. Modern commercial windows come in a wide variety of styles and materials, giving Scottsdale businesses options to enhance their building's aesthetics. Updated style. With window replacement, you have the opportunity to choose modern window designs that enhance the look of your property. Sleek, contemporary frames can create a sophisticated look, while tinted or reflective glass options provide a professional and polished appearance. Branding opportunity. For businesses that want to showcase their brand, windows can also serve as display areas for graphics, logos, or even digital displays. High-quality windows ensure that whatever you showcase is presented clearly, without the interference of damage, dirt, or aging glass. Increased security and safety. Older windows can pose a security risk, especially if they are damaged or easy to break. Modern commercial windows are built with stronger, impact-resistant materials that make unauthorized entry more difficult. For Scottsdale businesses, improved security and safety features are significant reasons to invest in commercial window replacement. Impact-resistant glass. Many new commercial windows are made with laminated or tempered glass, which is much harder to break. This makes it more challenging for potential intruders to gain access to the building, providing peace of mind for business owners. Safety standards. Updated commercial windows often comply with current safety codes and standards, which can be crucial for liability and insurance purposes. Replacing old windows with new, safer models ensures that your building meets the latest safety regulations. Better noise control. Scottsdale businesses located in high-traffic areas can benefit from sound-insulating windows that minimize outside noise. Older windows may not provide adequate noise reduction, which can be distracting for employees and disrupt the customer experience. Soundproofing capabilities. Newer windows with double or triple glazing and soundproofing features help reduce noise infiltration, creating a quieter, more focused indoor environment. This is especially valuable for businesses like law offices, healthcare clinics, or any setting where noise can interfere with service quality. Improved customer experience. A quiet and calm environment can enhance the customer experience, making your business more inviting and professional. Customers and clients are more likely to enjoy their visit in return if they feel relaxed and undisturbed. For Scottsdale businesses, replacing outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient, and secure options offers multiple advantages. From energy savings and improved comfort to enhanced aesthetics and increased security, commercial window replacement can help transform your business environment. By investing in quality windows that withstand Scottsdale's challenging climate, you're not only improving the functionality of your space but also boosting your business's image and appeal. Consider speaking with a reputable Scottsdale window replacement provider to explore options that suit your business's unique needs and enjoy the benefits of a comfortable, efficient, and attractive commercial space.